welcome to the Sock Puppet News Channel, where we're always pulling on strings and making a splash. Today's story. Making sound investments in 2024 with Ashton Kutcher is just what the doctor ordered for your wallet. Stick around, folks.
Thanks, Zuzu. So what's the tea? Making sound investments in 2024 with Ashton Kutcher. Apparently making informed investment decisions is key because who doesn't love a good gamble?
Blurg's got you covered. So, it turns out Sound Ventures is betting big on AI, machine learning models, to be exact. Because who needs human intuition when you can just code all day?
Perfectly insightful, Professor. And I was thinking, Ashton Kutcher believes celebrity status is valuable in investment, but it's not just about who you know. Because let's be real, who doesn't love a good celebrity endorsement?
I'm right there with you, Binksley. So what trends are they tracking? Decentralized finance, NFTs, and extended reality. Sounds like a fancy way of saying, make some digital money to me.
Knock, knock. Who's there? AI? We're trying to make an investment in the future, but our CEO is feeling a little burnt about it. Well, that concludes another moment of your life wasted on sock knock jokes and news. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your complaints in the comments section.
I learned it by watching
Sock Puppet News.